discussing some of the important expected questions in the field of tribal development, extremely important for 2023. Expect questions from this section. Eklavya Model Residential Schools are unique residential schools by Government of India, and these are model residential schools for Indian tribals across India. This was an initiative of Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India, introduced in 1997-98 with an idea to impart quality education to the tribal students in the nearby area. So far, 1500 plus Eklavya model residential schools have been created, and there is a National Society for Tribal Students, which is an autonomous body under Ministry of Tribal Affairs, which works on understanding and creating cultural fest and interaction for these. Recently we had the Janjati Gaurav Divas, which was celebrated on 15th November, the birthday for Birsa Munda. The birthplace is Ulihatu, which is extremely important. Now, some of the important tribals who had an important role in India's independence. So Badal Bhoi, known as Gandhi of Chhindwara, Shahid Lakshman Naik from Odisha, Rani Gadinloi from Manipur, Alluri Sitarama Raju from Andhra Pradesh, Tatia Bhil and Bhima Nayak from Madhya Pradesh, Birsa Munda and Sidhu Kanu from Jharkhand. So those are some of the important tribals who played a leading role in India's independence. There to celebrate and commemorate them, this Janjatiya Gaurav Divas is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Birsa Munda on every 15th November. Also, a function was organized in Shahdol in Madhya Pradesh, and the idea was with a special message of Panch Pran, which is an idea to realize the dream of Birsa Munda. Now again, during the various revolts that took place during the time of India's events for independence, some of the important revolts are there. So Damini Sangram, which was led by Tilak Manjhi, Larkha movement by Buddhu Bhagat, Sindhu Kantu Kranti, Tana Bhagat movement, Vegda Bhil movement, Naikada movement, Sant Joria, Parmeshwar and Roop Nayak Singh's contribution, Limdi Dahod battle, Guru Govindji of Mangad and Rampa movement of Alluri Sitarama Raju are all important. So with this, we also understand there are various Adi Mahotsavs, Adi Bazaars being originated and held across India. So Ekram Hart in Bhubaneswar, then we have Lakhidhar Bora in Guwahati. Similarly, there are various other Adi bazaars which are established. So Adi means tribal. So these are tribal markets which are being established across India. Now, again, some of their in the Adi Mahotsav, which is the tribal fest which was held, where the cultural intermingling takes place, the various dances and unique things from each of the state was brought. For example, Bhagu Rumba from Assam, Panthi dance from Chhattisgarh, Gusadi from Telangana, Bega Parondi from Madhya Pradesh, Siddhi Dhamal of Gujarat, Purulia Chao of West Bengal, Harul of Uttarakhand, Gaddi Nati of Himachal Pradesh. So these are some, and Tamang Selo of Sikkim. So these are some of the important cultural events and the cultural acts which we see. Adi Shaurya Parv Parakram Ka. Now this was an event which was held to commemorate the importance of tribals. The tribals have a vision of 3J, Jal, Jeevan and Jal, Jameen and Jungle. So Jal, Jameen and Jungle is the threefold focus, and with this the tribal communities embark and manage their heritage. Pradhan Mantri Adi Adarsh Gram Yojana is one of the unique projects to establish model villages in the regions where the tribal population is more than 50% and is a notified ST population living in there. Covers around a population areas of 4.22 crore area with 40% tribal population as main part of it, with numerous socio-economic developments and village development plan which are part of this Pradhan Mantri Adi Adarsh Gram Yojana. The development, the infrastructure, the health, education development in the region has to be taken care for. The next is Prashad scheme. Now this is the pilgrimage development scheme. The idea is development of pilgrimage facilities at Bhadrachalam group of temples at the Kotedam district in Telangana. So Kothegudem district in Telangana is one such effort. Then we also have similar projects at Muluggu in Telangana. Both of them are important. This project has been important because this project is part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the development of the project at the Ramappa temple, which is present at the Mungulu, is important. So this is again a part of Prashad mission, which is a national mission for pilgrimage, rejuvenation and spiritual heritage program. Educational upliftment for SC/ST is another important effort through which Eklavya model residential schools are set up. Pre-metric and post-metric scholarship, overseas scholarship and national fellowship for higher education of scheduled tribe population. Particularly vulnerable tribal groups have been given a special focus from class 6 to class 12. It has been reported that of the 688 Eklavya Model Residential School, 392 are functional. 5% of the seats are reserved for the particularly vulnerable tribal groups, and out of the total seats for fellowship programs, we have 25 seats of 750 seats reserved for a particularly vulnerable tribal group, 3 seats in MPhil PhD reserved out of the 20 seats for particularly vulnerable groups. The highest number of particularly vulnerable tribal groups are seen in Odisha. Now recently, one of the teachers from Sikkim won the outstanding award at the National Teachers Day Award, and he is Mr. Siddharth Zonzong. So Mr. Zonzong has a very important development role in development of the Eklavya Model Residential School in Gangtok in Sikkim. Similarly, 2 other teachers have been awarded this before this, and both of them belong to Eklavya Model Residential Schools. So Pramod Kumar Shukla was one of them, and then we also had another as Sudha Penoli from Dehradun. So both of these have been given the development. The next is Goal Program. Now Goal Program is a program which is going online as leaders. It is a joint program of Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Facebook Meta. So Meta under Facebook has been working with Goal Program, going online as leaders, building tribal community and tribal leaders. Under the government orders, here is the list of the various acts and the development. So it omitted the Bhokta list from the scheduled caste, included Puran as a new entry in scheduled tribes, included Bhokta, Deshri, Ganju and the following ones in ST. Tamaria as a synonym to Munda was included in scheduled tribes. Darlong, a subtribe of Kuki, was entered into the state of Tripura under the Constitutional Amendment Act. And then we have another set from the various districts of Sant Kabir Nagar, Kushinagar, Chandoli and Bahadoli in Uttar Pradesh, which would be part of the scheduled tribes notified area. So under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, there has been various programs and affiliations. Numerous developments have been done under the Medaram Jatra 2022, and this is the second largest fair which has been held in the Telangana, and Koya tribe from Telangana organizes this 4-day fair, which is a very unique and is celebrated in Magh, that is February, on a full moon day. So those are some of the developments that we have seen from the tribal development in India and the expected topics from tribal development in 2023. As I mentioned, this is an extremely important topic. Cover the things that we have said extremely carefully. Also important, a lot of things from this for your map location, even in your optional as well as for your GS prelim. So stay tuned for more information. Do follow the links below. Thanks for joining in.